Hey guys, welcome back to Oz Biker. Thanks heaps for tuning in. I hope you're all well. Believe it or not, I rebuilt the suspension on the Tiger 900. You might think I'm crazy, but I'm just trying to make the bike handle a little bit better for my type of ride. It's been rebuilt to my body weight, which is about 105 kilo, which equals about 230 pound. I was finding through a lot of the whoop-de-doos, I was bottoming out, and in the ruddier stuff, she just wasn't handling real well. So I'll give it a go, and I'll let you know what I think. Bruce up in front, he's on the Tenere 700. He's just got his route built to his body weight, which is very similar to mine. The only bad thing about this, with all the floods that we've had here in Queensland, that all the forests are closed completely. It's red zone, you cannot go through. If you go through, you risk getting fines up to $1,400, and if it's a council closed road, you can get fines, believe it or not, up to over $30,000. So this section of road, we're just riding just to test the bikes out a little bit. We're going over a few whoop-de-doos, so stay tuned and I'll let you know what I think so far. Also, if you haven't subscribed, guys, consider doing that, and I'll chat soon. Hey guys, this is going to be stage one of the fine tuning in the suspension. The suspension probably about 50% better than what it originally was. Just as you can see over that whoop-de-doos, it's taken it up a lot better than what it was. But we're in the processes of fine tuning it now. The reason we're fine tuning it now is because when the bike was ready, I wasn't able to go down to Brisbane to pick it up due to the floods, and they were around for about 4 or 5 days. People were getting rescued and everything like that. It was all over the news. I don't know if you've seen it, but when the bike floods were cleared and dried, able to get into Brisbane, I physically wasn't able to go down there and pick the bike up, so we transported it up. So we're fine-tuning it at the moment over the phone, and me being a mug, I probably won't get it right, and I'll have to go down and see Joe anyhow. But as you can see, it's heaps better than what it was. So I hope you're enjoying the video, guys, and I'll chat soon. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video. I'd say with this suspension, it's probably going to be about a 3 or 4 rides scenario, testing the suspension out in different conditions, ruddy, uphill, downhill, whoop-de-doos, to get a mediocre setting where I'm happy with the suspension all the way across the board, so when I do go riding I won't have to play with it. As soon as I get that suspension done exactly the way I want, I'll put up exactly what we've done, what springs, what oil we use and how we've revalved it. In case you would like to try it and do it, I've done all the hard work. If you haven't subscribed, maybe consider doing that and giving the video a like. And as always, ride safe guys. Thanks heaps for tuning in, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.